So here's the Qo100 dish setup, front end setup. There's the waterproofing arrangement on the potty. Good job because it's raining today. Here's the box of magic tricks on the back here. So here's the amplifier, 2.4 gig amplifier, up converter, and the Gpsdo. And then you can see Juliet Oscar 01 Oscar Tango has acquired 8 fixes on satellites. You can see 14 and 0759 UTC. And of course it's now winter this morning, so that's the time here. Stitch that all back together again. Just for reference, that's how you change internal to external local oscillator. And I can see it's locked as well, so that's good. So same frequency on Qo100, everyone's quite busy on FT4 now, and the reason you can tell that's FT4 is the trace is wider and there's shorter bursts of data. There's a Polish guy there, Sierra Papa 4, Lima India November, so we'll have a little go at him. Quite a strong signal. You can see him down here. This is him now here responding, I suspect. There you go, responding, plus 1 dB. And here he's on the waterfall. Well, that was me. That's him there. I'll try and mark it with a cursor. That's him there coming in. And call complete. There's another Polish guy come up, so we'll have to go to him. Sierra Papa 2 HPD. I mean, this is the same as normal FT8, FT4 on HF really. Apart from it's generally a lot successful. You see SP4 LIN 73, SP2 HPD, plus 5 dBs. Again, there he's on the waterfall down here. He's given me plus 2, 7 3s. There he is actually on the dongle, on the SDR receiver. And we can go back to 7 3s and complete that one as well. So final video on this today, FT8 on Qo100 on 10.489.643 kilohertz, or 10.489635 gigahertz. And I've now got FT8 running properly as well to display the frequency correctly. So 10.489.644 megahertz, or 10 decimal 489.644.43 gigahertz. So yeah, it's quite a handful by getting all the transverter settings right. And yeah, FT8's working really well. Just had a little Brazilian contact there actually, which was quite good. And you can see when you look on QRZ, it's actually reporting them correctly now. So you know, not a bad setup there with well, 4 that I've logged from India, Czech Republic, Brazil and Asiatic Russia, but there's been a lot more. So finally that is set up correctly. So the transceiver's 144.0395 megahertz, and that's up converting to 2.4 gigs and then down converting to in fact 10.489. But it's just to keep the two things lined up. In fact, it's actually going up to the satellite on 2.4 gigahertz, but just to keep the two things aligned, otherwise it gets very complicated. So I think that's the final thing with the Gpsdo all synced up. Next thing is actually to sync the downlink as well. You see it's using the internal clock there, so it does drift, albeit very slowly. That's one for another day. So still going strong on Qo100 here, with FT8 now. It seems to alternate between FT8 and FT4, but FT8 now. See the frequencies are all lined up there. Plenty of activity, mainly European, and there is on the waterfall still dropping in. Some German stations, French stations, UK, it's the G0 station. Don't get so many G stations, or UK stations. Then just a quick update on PSK Reporter. You can see it pretty much defines the footprint there over Europe and right over to Eastern Europe, and just that corner of South America. North American cousins unfortunately don't get to play with this fantastic satellite. There they are, still joining in and dropping in. But yeah, the system's working really well now. Very happy with it. Leave it running overnight and see what else rolls in.